guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to look good when you are first starting VIP, when you're making a new account and all of that stuff. So yeah, let's just get started. So if you want me to do a boys one, then let me know. I'll do a separate video for that. So for the skin tone, I like to do this one, but if that's a bit too tan for you, you can go for a lighter one like this or this, but I'm going to go for this one. And then nose, I like to go for the curved one. Lips, I like to go for those and make them this color. I feel like that's really pretty, or if you don't really like that, you could go for this one, but personally I like to do this one. And then for eyes, you could go for these, because I feel like these just look really cartoony, and so do these. Like, they brought these back. I don't know why they brought these back, but I just prefer these. And then make them a light blue color. If that looks like too possessed for you, you could go for a darker blue like that or something. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. Or maybe brown. But just for the sake, for the lip color, I'm going to go for blue. I feel like it looks really nice together. So I'm doing that. And then for hair, I like to do this short bobbed one, because all of these other ones are like really disgusting and messy. Like, just no. That's just my opinion anyway. I just like this one. And then I make it this brown color. And then for shirts, I go for this one and I make it white. You could also do this one and make it white, or you can make it like a beige color like that. I like to do this one. And then for pants, I like to do these, and you could make it darker if you want. I try to like pick things that I'll use again, so I don't have to spend more money. So I'm going to choose that. And then for shoes, I make all of my shoes white, because I know I'm going to use white shoes again. So yeah, here is my avatar. So for a username, I like to do like dashes, because I feel like it's really aesthetic and nice. Or if you want to do like a regular name, you could just pick a name and add some numbers. Like, don't do a whole list of numbers at the end of it. Just do like 3 or 2 or something. So for example, like my main is Cami 109. Oops. That's my main. Or if you wanted to go for something a little extra, you could do like X cookie or something, I don't know. It really depends on what you like. I like to do like mine simple. I like to keep my name simple and then dress like really nicely and stuff. I don't know. I just like to keep my stuff simple. But it really depends on you, what you like. So yeah, I'm not really going to too fuss around the name. But yeah, that's really it for this video. Here's the avatar. And I hope you like it. And I'll see you guys soon. So bye guys.